Okay, here we are at Zarnov Broad Winery. Now, this translates. This is Maria, or how do we say your name, Marie?
Mariewa.
Mariewa. Okay, this is Mariewa. She's just poured the 2015, right? 2015 Reserve Pinot Noir. We are at about 250 meters here in the Danube Plain, and I've got Nina over here.
Hi.
She's actually the driver, but you can see that doesn't matter. She still has some wine in front of her. And here we have Marin, okay, and look at the spread we've got here. We've got some great breads, and her father-in-law, Mariola, man, I'll never get that right, has made the dried beef. I mean, it's good. We got some killer cheese, some grapes, breads. I've got my little stash right here. But we're drinking some wines. This area is known mostly for white wine, but the cool climate makes it good for Pinot Noir.
Exactly.
Marin, tell us what we're going to be at, what we're up against. So we're doing a little bit of a horizontal here.
This winery is kind of their pioneers of working with Pinot Noir.
Okay, welcome to the Danube Plain here in Bulgaria. We've just completed our tasting. Do you think we did enough bottles here? But pretty much the flagship of Tsarev Broad Winery. Let's just, yeah. So real quick, this is the most unfair question in the world, but you have to ask for our friends back home. What was your favorite of the tasting today?
The favorite of the tasting, the tasting itself.
The tasting itself. Okay, that's good. What was your favorite? You get to drink these all the time. By the way, this is the vineyard manager, and I just want to let you see the shoes. Okay, and she was out in the vineyard today wearing those shoes. I love that. What'd you like the best today?
Petnat.
The Petnat.
Yes.
Okay, the Petnat, which is a naturally natural sparkling wine. How about you?
I think this is the cherry.
Ah, yes. This is an ice wine. We didn't get to talk about it.